Have you heard the news? Handyman Hal comes to town live! That's right, come to see the one and only Handyman Hal live on stage! Just visit handymanhallive.com to find your show location and get your tickets today. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Flying through the sky all night and day. Tell me, do you want to go on a helicopter ride? Today's destination, we are gonna fly into the sky. Tweet, tweet, little bird, wave as they go by. Today on our helicopter ride. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Flying through the sky all night and day. Tell me, do you want to go on a big jet plane? So exciting, sure to entertain. Watch the clouds go by, we can't complain. Today flying on this big jet plane. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Flying through the sky all night and day. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Up, 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 up and away. Flying through the sky all night and day.
Oh, hey there, my friends. It's me. It's Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome today. I'm here at Celebrate Freedom Foundation here in Columbia, South Carolina, and I have an awesome job to do today with some really amazing friends. Look, it's the Marines, and they look really sharp in their uniforms. You know, the Marines are a branch of the United States military, and they have a special job for us. Wait, not a special job, a special mission. Come on, check this out. Look at this. Look at all of these boxes of toys. These toys are for Toys for Tots, and that is a program started by the Marines. Look, see, it says United States Marine Corps Reserve. Oh, and it says Toys for Tots. Also, our mission is to get to these toys somewhere special. The North Pole. Oh, wow. And so, we have a really special vehicle since the North Pole is so far away that we're going to use to transport these toys. Can't wait. But first, I've had to load them up into this. Check this out. This is a Humvee. Well, you know what that stands for? It stands for High Mobility Multi-Purpose Wheel Vehicle. This is a vehicle that the military would use for all sorts of different things. If you look, see how it's really rugged looking with some really rugged tires? They could go anywhere. Let's see, rocks and grass, and maybe even in some water. Oh, look, this amazing antenna. course, they got to communicate, right? Absolutely. And look how it's painted. It's camouflage. That way they can hide. I like that. Well, I guess we might need to get to that special vehicle. Come on, let's go. This is gonna be great. We've got to get these toys to the North Pole. We got to get them there quick. All right, safety first. Seatbelt. I think we're ready to go. Come on, let's go. It's gonna be so much fun. All right, my friends, check it out. This is the vehicle we're gonna use to get these toys to the North Pole. This is a Huey helicopter. Oh, isn't that awesome? Doesn't this look amazing? Oh, you know, these types of helicopters were used for supplies, transporting supplies and even troops. Check this thing out. Isn't it amazing? Oh, the wingspan is over 50 feet wide and it can go up to 100 knots. That's really fast. Oh, look at the inside. Oh, look at the two pilots. Oh, they got some really awesome helmets and some radio equipment. Of course, they got to communicate to each other because they can get really loud in here. Oh, look at all those patches. All those patches are all the different units that have flown this helicopter. That's really neat. I wonder if I can get my patch up here somewhere. That would be cool. Well, I've already got a few toys on. We've got to get some more toys on here so we can get going. All right, so unloose that pin, unloose that pin. A little bit of strength here. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, and look, here comes some more help. The Marines and some more friends. Oh, wow. This is so much fun. Oh, I love this. Oh, I'm here with all of my friends, even the Marines. Oh, look, the fire truck. Somebody's really gonna like this. This is Major White and his staff sergeant here. Are you guys having an awesome time?
Having a great time.
Absolutely. Well, how long have you been working with Toys for Tots?
This will be my first year.
Oh, that's totally awesome. So tell me a little bit about Toys for Tots. Where did it all come from?
So Toys for Tots was started in 1947 by Major Bill Hendricks with the United States Marine Corps Reserve. And his wife was looking for a place to give unwrapped toys to underprivileged kids. And so since then, we've been giving out toys every Christmas. And last year alone, Toys for Tots donated 22 million toys to over 10 million kids.
Wow, that's a lot. Well, what about this year?
This year, we've collected so far toys for 2,500 families in the local area.
Wow, that's amazing. Oh, and these are some really awesome toys too. Oh, look at this. Oh, there we go. Well, I guess we've got to get these toys to the North Pole. Oh yeah, let's get them in the helicopter. All right, well, we've got all the toys loaded up for all the Marines. Oh, and there's two Marines on the inside with the two pilots. Oh, and they're about to take off to deliver the toys. This is so exciting. It's so much fun today. Tell Santa Claus I said hello. Merry Christmas.
Cause we're awesome, 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 awesome. Yeah, we're awesome, 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 yes we are. And we're smart and we're cute, we're even awesome when we toot. Excuse me. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We can learn, we can play, we can have an awesome day, yeah. We're awesome, 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 awesome. We'll have fun, me and you, being awesome's what we do. Cause we're awesome. We're awesome, 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 awesome. One, two, got a job for you. 3, 4, gonna fix this door. 5, 6, gonna lay some bricks. 7, 8, gonna lay them straight. 9, 10, can we do it again? One, two, another job to do. 3, 4, to the hardware store. 5, 6, got some things to fix. 7, 8, gonna fix this gate. 9, 10, great job, my friends. One, two, truck coming through. 3, 4, I can hear the horn. 5, 6, hook it to the hitch. 7, 8, gonna pull that weight. 9, 10, beep, beep, my friend. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Awesome!
Hey, my friends, don't forget to subscribe. Alrighty, we gotta get you ready there, buddy. All right, we've got to get your eyes on. There you go. We got to get this on you, my friend. 'Tis the season. Oh, perfect. Oh, yes, look at this one. Oh. Smells so good. Time for Thanksgiving dinner. Biscuits and mashed potatoes and green beans and oh yeah.
Oh, hey Handyman Hal.
Hey Alex. Oh, right here.
It looks like all of your holidays are mashed together.
Oh, no worries because we gotta hurry through these holidays because we've got a tour coming up.
Oh, me too. I'm so excited.
Me too. And you should get your tickets today.
Get them at handymanhallive.com.
We'll see you soon. Oh, Alex, you want some dessert?
Oh, I love dessert. Christmas tree cakes.